All right, guys, we are going to do a very quick exponents review. There are a lot of exponents on PIMDOS and equivalent expressions, so let's just make sure that we know what we're doing with exponents, okay? So 4 squared. So 4 squared is going to look like this. First of all, we're going to look at the little number. That little number tells us how many lines to draw, okay? The big number tells us what number should go in the line. And then we just multiply, okay? So 4 times 4 will give us 16. 4 squared does not mean 4 times 2, because 4 times 2 is 8, but our answer should actually be 16. So 4 times 2 is not correct. That is the biggest misconception. Please do not do that. One more example. Let's do 5 to the power of 3. Or 5 cubed. Again, my little number tells me how many lines to draw. 1, 2, 3. My big number goes in the lines, and then I just multiply. Okay, so we'd start here. 5 times 5 is 25, and then 25 times 5 equals 125. Again, this does not mean 5 times 3. Do not be the person who does 5 times 3, okay? All right, now you are going to use this to work on your assignment, and in the assignment that you're working on, it's looking for the final answer, okay? It's not asking you to write this part out, it wants this part. Okay, so you're actually going to solve it out and write this part in your assignment.